This turned out pretty awesome. If you've ever had to run power to a trailer at your home, you know the struggle. Keeping your power connections dry and safe can be precarious. Today, I'm building a freestanding mobile RV power pole, campground quality, but for your driveway. Here's what you'll need for the cut list. 2 24-inch pressure-treated 2x4s, 4 16-inch pressure-treated 2x4s, mitered at both ends to 45 degrees, 2 10-inch pressure-treated 2x4s for the feet, composite decking or fence picket might work, 1 24-inch piece, 1 19-inch piece, and a small 5-inch piece. To get started on building the main upright, I'm using a 2x4 and a scrap piece as a spacer for the 2 24-inch 2x4s, while I attach the composite deck boards, screwing the 24-inch board to one side and the 19-inch board to the other. You'll notice I'm leaving a gap at the top on the side with the 19-inch piece. That's intentional. That open space is exactly where the outlet box is going to sit later on. To keep this stable, but portable, we need some solid legs. From the bottom of the main 24-inch post, I'm measuring up 8 inches and marking the center. The 16-inch mitered boards get screwed into place on both sides to act as braces. Finally, we'll join the braces together using the 10-inch 2x4s to create the feet. Moving on to the business end, the power outlet box. Starting here by removing the faceplate, I'm installing an NPT cable gland at the bottom to keep this weather resistant. Using a heavy-duty extension cord, cut off the female end, strip back the outer insulation, and prep your wires. Don't forget to slide your locking nut over the cable before you insert into the gland. Once it's in, tighten that nut down for a watertight seal and terminate your wires to the appropriate terminals. Green to ground, bonded to the box, black to hot, white to neutral. With the wiring done, it's time to mount the box. A little tip, use a clamp as a third hand to hold the door open while you drive the mounting screws into the post. Finish it off by securing the faceplate and adding the 5-inch composite board to the very top to help shed water. Before this, I was using the old bucket over the junction trick to keep things dry. It's a questionable method, and honestly I should have built this a long time ago. So, out with the bucket and in with a newer power stand. It's clean, it's professional, and best of all, mobile. I can move it wherever I park the trailer. Happy camping, and thanks for watching. And no need to worry when it's raining.